drawn, we got a confirmed lower high, trend line drawn, we got the break. I didn't really wait till we got the retest down to the 8MA here because of this market structure here. So what I've done is I waited for that slight pullback and then got in straight away. I should drag that across a bit more, which is where I got in. Yeah, and we got that push up. We break even, then pushed up. So just moving on from that, if I can just drag this over. Then we got that retracement back down to structure here. Yeah, we had this confirmed lower low. Then we got this, as price come back down, we got this confirmed higher low. Trend line drawn. This is a great example here where the strategy we trade, we look for that breaker structure, which we get in this bearish candle here. But we get this breaker structure, and usually we'd be looking for that retracement back for an entry, as long as it's in line with the 50-moving average. But here, what we get is we get the confirmed lower low, higher low, trend line drawn, break structure, retracement back to the 8 on this bullish candle. But this here, I've no interest in, and why it's a good example is because we've got this strong level of support here. That there, so we get the breaker structure. I had no interest in looking for sells here because of this. Yeah, where we got the breaker structure here, we haven't got that. We've got that clear area of potential move to the upside, leading to like 28, 30 pips, pushed up to 38 pips. This is what we need to look for. See, in our strategy, we're looking for that clear. You know, if we got a breakdown below this low here, we've got a good clean area on the chart down here. That's what we're looking for. So again, I held on, and look, and price is pushing up. So on this occasion, I was right not to even consider looking for an entry short. And again, why? Because of this level here. Yep. So as we are now, I'm just managing a single position, which is my runner, which is risk free. Yeah. So a short video, but I hope that helped. Looking at all different scenarios playing out that appear for our strategy. You know, because even though that I've simplified this trading strategy, there's always different scenarios will appear, which we've got to make decisions on, and that's a good example I've just shown you of everything ticked the box for an entry short, except the fact that we were sitting right on previous resistance, broke, back down tested, now support. Yeah, I hope that was clear enough. And I'll catch you on the next video tomorrow. We'll review this, and we'll continue as we do, forecasting for tomorrow. Take it easy, enjoy your trading day.